So today we are unboxing Mac. And I know you're wondering, what is she talking about? Mac? The MacBook? What is she talking about? I am talking about my robot cleaner. So I know you've seen Rosie, which is my robot sweeper, and she does a really good job at sweeping up my entire downstairs floor. And you can only have these robots usually on one level because they can't go up and downstairs. But anyway, Mac is my second edition, and he is not only a sweeper, but he is also a mop. Yes, I'm really excited about this one. So he was twice as expensive as Rosie. Rosie is about $88. That was the price point. I got her on sale on Amazon. She's a Leafant product. And then Mac is actually a Bissell product. And I got him on sale. He was normally about a $500 unit, but I got him on sale for about $186. That was the price, you guys, with tax and shipping, I believe. And so I'm really, really excited. So we're going to do some unboxing, and we're going to talk about Mac and how we welcomed him into my home and how well they're doing cleaning. I'm going to show you that. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. All right, you guys, this is where Mr. Mac lives in my home. So I know this was the area where I had Rosie, but I moved her, and then I put Mac in her spot as well. But as you can see, look at my floors, you guys. It is spotless. So what I do is I usually have Rosie run through and do a little sweeping, and then I have Mac go behind her and do not only sweeping, but mopping. He's a little bigger, so he's a little bit more powerful. We can get a lot more out of Mac, but I am loving how everything is coming together. And when I stain these floors, they're gonna be gorgeous. All right, guys, quick disclaimer. I know you're wondering, how did I get the name Mac? So do you remember Rosie and Mac from the TV show The Jetsons? Well, that's how I got that name. All right, guys, this is a quick look at me unboxing Mac. So it came in this wonderful packaging, so much stuff in it that I was just excited. It has actually two tanks, one for the mopping and one for the sweeping, which works out really nicely. They're interchangeable and you switch them out. And then I had the pads that go to the mop, which is excellent and works great. So all I had to do now is just kind of fill it up and get ready to put this mop to work. So I am really excited, and it was pretty easy getting everything hooked up and going. And so that is what you're taking a look at now. Mac going off of his charger and starting to mop the floors. Now I had to move him from the space that he was originally because it just didn't work. He needed more room. So I switched the spots from Mac and Rosie, and now they're in their respective spots. And both of them working simultaneously together is just a dream for my floors. I love it. And I really think it's gonna look really nice once I get my floors redone.